Imagine yourself spinning a fork of luscious, just made pasta that you make with your own hands. No machinery, no pre-cooked shortcut, just simple ingredients and a sprinkle of love. I'm going to guide you through every step in creating the most divine homemade pasta you or anyone on your planet has ever experienced. Today, follow me because once you know this, box pasta is history. Whenever I first tried making pasta from home, I thought it would be complex. But let me assure you, it is so simple for you to do. In fact, using just 4 easy ingredients: flour, eggs, a pinch of salt, and a splash of olive oil, you can have a pasta dough that tastes like it was prepared by an Italian grandmother herself. The best part, you don't need a pasta machine, just a rolling pin, some room, and patience. Start by putting flour on your countertop. Create a little well in the middle and crack 2 large eggs, some salt, and a teaspoon of olive oil. Beat the eggs with a fork lightly, gradually pulling in the flour slowly until it becomes shaggy dough. This is where the magic comes in. Knead for 8 to 10 minutes until it's elastic and smooth. Cover and rest for 30 minutes. Trust me, that resting time is what makes all the difference. Once your dough has rested, flour your surface lightly and roll it out as thinly as possible. If you have a pasta machine, use it, but a rolling pin will do just as well. Then cut your pasta into whatever shapes you prefer, or even small squares to make ravioli. Fresh pasta looks incredibly quickly, so you only need around 2 to 3 minutes of salted boiling oil and water. And now for the good stuff, sauce. Toast your fresh pasta in the light garlic and olive oil sauce. A rich tomato, marinara, or a creamy Alfredo. The homemade pasta texture absorbs flavors like a dream. Every bite is fresher, softer, and more satisfying than store-bought. If this video left you craving a big plate of homemade pasta, why not give it a try today? You find it surprisingly easy and fun. And when you do give it a try, I love to hear about it. Leave a message in the comments below and let me know what sauce you serve it with. Remember to like the button, subscribe for more recipes, and tap that bell so that you never miss a tasty experience.